Hi, I'm Helena Manny from One Agency and welcome to 57 Lushington Street in East Gosford. This 3-bedroom home is situated on a flat, low-maintenance block. It's single level and it's in one of the most highly sought after streets in East Gosford. The home is walking distance to East Gosford's luxury shopping village and cafe culture. It's also a short walk to Hilton Moor Oval with endless activities and a lovely off-leash area for dogs. It is minutes to Gosford CBD, the train station and Gosford Hospital. We're also minutes to Erina Fair and a short drive to the local beaches. The owner has lovingly renovated the home. It's been fully refurbished. There's nothing left for you to do but move in and enjoy your new home. If you're thinking of downsizing but don't want the hassle of dealing with strata, then this home's for you. The home's also suitable for an investor or perhaps a young family. The yard is fully secure for pets and for children. Why don't you come and have a look?